Utility disconnection challenges like gas, water, and electricity can seriously mess up your home project if you don't handle them right from the start. So first, always confirm which utilities need to be disconnected before you even think about starting any work. Call up the utility companies early, like way ahead of time, because sometimes they need days or even weeks to schedule a disconnect. Make sure you get a clear timeline and follow up so you don't get caught waiting around. When you talk to the utility company, ask if they require any paperwork or fees to get the utilities turned off. If you're hiring a contractor, let them handle this part, but stay in the loop to avoid surprises. Always double check that the utilities are actually off before you start any demolition or construction work. If you have gas lines involved, never try to disconnect them yourself. Always use a licensed professional. Remember that water shutoffs might affect your whole neighborhood or building, so give your neighbors a heads up if needed. Finally, keep records of all communications with utility companies so if anything goes sideways, you have proof you did your part. One of the biggest mistakes people make with utility disconnection challenges is waiting too long to contact utility companies, which causes major delays in their project timeline. Fix this by calling at least 2 weeks ahead. Another common issue is not understanding the specific requirements for each utility, like needing permits for electrical disconnects. Always ask what's needed upfront to avoid fines or work stoppages. The third problem is neglecting safety checks after utilities are turned off, which can lead to accidents or damage. Make sure to verify shutoff points and get a professional inspection if you're unsure. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource that helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle tricky stuff like utility disconnections safely and efficiently. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with homeowners looking for reliable pros to get their projects done right without the usual headaches.